1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
Have you ever ordered something online and waited days only to find out your package never arrived? That happened to me last week, and it was honestly so frustrating.
That sounds awful. I always get excited when I buy something online, but waiting for delivery can be stressful. So, you ordered it online? What happened next?
Exactly. I ordered a pair of headphones, and the tracking said it was delivered, but when I checked outside, nothing. Not at my door, not in the mailbox.
Oh no, I would be so annoyed. Did you check with your neighbors or look around the building just in case?
Yes, I knocked on a few doors and even checked with the building manager, but nobody saw anything. It felt like the package just disappeared.
I've had something like that happen too. Sometimes packages are left somewhere weird. Did you ask the delivery company what happened?
I did. I contacted customer service because I really wanted to know where my package was. The first thing they asked was, "Do you have the tracking number?"
That makes sense. The tracking is supposed to help, but it isn't always right. What did the delivery company say after you gave them your details?
They checked the tracking info and said the package was delivered to your address. But I told them again, I checked everywhere. It's not here.
It's so stressful when they only repeat what the computer says. Did you get anywhere with them, or did you have to contact the online store too?
After talking to the delivery company, I contacted customer service at the online store as well. I explained, my package never arrived. The tracking says it was delivered, but it's not here.
I'd be asking for a refund at that point. What did they say? Did they believe you, or did they ask for more proof?
They asked me to confirm my address and a few order details. I gave them the information and said, I'd like a refund or a replacement.
That's fair. Sometimes stores only help after you keep asking. Did they finally agree to send you a new package or give your money back?
Yes, but it took a few days. They asked if they could send me a replacement, and I said yes. I just wanted my headphones.
I can imagine. After all that, did they tell you when the new package should arrive?
They emailed me and said, your replacement will arrive in 3 days. I checked the tracking every day this time.
I'd do the same. Sometimes the tracking number gives you updates, but you always worry it'll happen again.
Right. I felt nervous, but finally, I saw the package outside my door. This time, nothing went missing.
That's a relief. Did you check everything inside to make sure it was the right item?
Definitely. I opened the box and checked the headphones. They were exactly what I ordered. After all that trouble, it felt good to finally get them.
I would celebrate. Sometimes online shopping is easy, but delivery can be a nightmare. Did you learn anything for next time?
I think I'll always check the tracking number and maybe ask for signature delivery if I can. That way, someone has to be home.
Smart idea. And if anything goes wrong, contacting customer service quickly is important. The sooner you ask, the sooner you get help.
Totally. Now I know what to do if my package never arrives again.
So, 3 big takeaways. Always check your tracking. Talk to customer service right away, and ask for a replacement or refund if your package never arrives.
Exactly. And one action step next time you order online, make sure your delivery instructions are clear so the package ends up at your door, not somewhere else.
Thanks for sharing your story. I think a lot of people can relate and now know what to do if this happens to them.
Glad we talked about it. Let's hope our next online orders arrive on time with no drama